I love it. I love it. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. I had to do that intro because today is a DIY video. At least I have time to sew, like do like a small revamp. Yeah, so today okay, wacha kwanza tufunge nywele cause we are doing some sewing today. Nywele yangu pia imekuwa mrefu. Today I'm doing a revamp of this jumpsuit. Let me put a picture. So this is the jumpsuit. I think I should actually just put it on. This is how it looks basically. Long sleeved, it's jeans, and when I bought it, I actually thought it is like long. Yeah, I actually thought it's like long, but I think let me use the mirror. Okay, I think this works better for now. Yeah, so when I bought it, I actually thought it's like long, mpaka uko chini, but I find this length very I've been wearing it like this, so nilikuwa nakunja, like I used to fold here, but I just feel like this length is so awkward for me. So I feel like I want to turn it into a short so that it is more fun. Of course, upper kwa waist it's kinda okay, not so big but big, so I usually have to put on a belt, but huku juu I don't mind the way it looks, so I just feel like the length is the problem, so I want to cut it to be a short so that I can always wear it when I'm going out and it's sunny and things like that. So let's do that. That is the simplest thing you can do. I think you basically just look at the length, cut, and sew. Yeah, so like I've said, this jumpsuit gives me like, you know, the pedal pusher vibes, and I don't like that length, so I will do like a short. So this is me just trying to roughly estimate the length that I would like. Then I use a measuring tape to make sure they are even, and then I will cut. When you're cutting shorts, I normally don't do straight because this inner part, I usually slant it so that the outer part is kind of shorter than the inner and the inside part. So I've just slanted it in a way that the inside part is a bit longer than this outside part. Is it making sense? So it goes something like, you get it? You don't cut it straight, you just cut it a bit diagonal. Yeah, and to just make sure it's even, I will make one cut. This is what I have, and I'm just going to fold it like let's say 2 inches up, so that I just fold it like once and then twice like that, pin it down, then I'm going to sew. Use the line that you had drawn to guide you, make the fold, and if you wish you can also iron it before pinning it down. It will be way easier, and then once you have pinned it down, just sew it round. This is basically how it looks. Yeah, so let's go and sew this. So this is where I ended up putting my sewing machine. Yeah, so we're just going to sew kama kawaida tu, this down, and if you hear the wind or noise, my window is open, that's why, but the lighting here is nice. So I'm going to use these like this is the color I want to use. Okay, well, you get zile colors naendananga na denim. Yeah, this brown or orange, so I use it so that it blends with the the rest of the jeans. Yeah, and I usually put my thread here. This is a jug my mom gave me, and then when I was moving from home, I didn't have anywhere to put my two thread, and ever since like 2 years ago sijai unpack from this nini, so I usually like use it to put my thread. Yeah, but I think it looks cute. Yeah, so I don't know where my cutting for putting this went. So now I'm struggling. Hey guys, so I'm done sewing. So this is how the edges look like. Guys, I actually like it better like this. Oh, I actually love it. Let me show you kwa mirror. Honestly, guys, I love it more as a short than the awkward length. Yeah, see, yeah, I actually love it more as a short. And you know what I'm thinking? So this is how it looks. Not sure if you'll see the back, but yeah, that's how it's looking. Yeah, basically. And you know what I'm thinking? Because I usually use a belt to funga here, I'm thinking, what if I use this two remaining nini fabric to just make like a long strip, and then I use it as a belt. Genius. Wacha tu niunde your belt, and then we see. I show you. Okay, so for this one, I might need you to go to like my other videos and just see how I made the straps. But I've just cut like 4 pieces from the one leg that I cut, and then I'm going to just stitch them together here until it is like one long strip, and then I'm just going to do the wrong side outside, and then sew like this, like when it's already like one long strip, so that you don't get confused. So assuming this is the long strip that I will have after stitching them together, I'll just do it, fold it into half, the wrong side outside facing out, and then I will sew this way, and then okay, like I'll sew like this, and then along this side, and then leave this open so that I can flip it inside out, and then once it's inside out, or right side out, you get what I'm saying, and then I will close this. That's it. Yeah, I'm just going to repeat for the sake of those who may not have understood. So assuming this is the long strip that I will already have, I'm just going to sew this way closed, and then along this open side, and leave this side open so that I can flip this to the right side, and then close it up once it's flipped on that side, and then I'll be done. Then I show you the fit. I'll do this off camera because I think I've done it so many times on my channel. Yeah, so you can check other videos and see how I do it. Okay, oopsie. So this is how the belt looks like. Yeah, so let me just tie it and we see. So I've been working in this jumpsuit, so this is how it looks. Really, I love it. So let me just tie the belt, and then you see how it looks, because you see the back is loose, like really loose. Yeah, so let me tie it and then we see. It's quite long. Yeah, so what I like is that the belt, this one matches the short, so it looks really cute. So I don't have to put on like normal belt yangu ya kawaida. Yeah, so that's it. I love it. I honestly haven't ironed the belt. I just did it mbio mbio, but honestly, ooh, I love this. I love it. I love it, and I know I can go out, have fun. Like, this is quite decent, and I can just put on like sneakers and then just head out for like a game night or brunch. Like, I love it. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you in my next video, hoping I'll do another alteration in my closet. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.